In this week's assignment, I'll be briefly discussing Silky Soaps Inc. and Last Man Alive Chili Corporation. We could see that the worst best fit line here was Silky Soaps. The reason being because the revenue value comparison. Silky Soaps Inc. has a revenue value of 0.9743, indicating a slightly weaker fit compared to Last Man Alive Chili Corp. We can evaluate the best fit line by considering the coefficient of determination, revenue value, which indicates how well the line fits the data. A higher revenue value suggests a better fit. For Silky Soaps Inc., the revenue value is 0.9743, while for Last Man Alive Chili Corp, it is 0.981. Although both values are high, indicating strong linear relationships, the best fit line for Last Man Alive Chili Corp. Despite the high revenue, there might be overfitting, especially if the data set is small or not representative. Moving on here, the revenue data for Silky Soap shows how variability might affect the accuracy of the projection. A way that we can enhance the revenue is to divide charts into two or more segments or analyze an external factor that might influence revenue. The chart shows a single best fit line over a long period. It may be beneficial to divide the data into two or more segments, each with its own best fit line. This approach can capture different growth rates or trends over distinct periods, especially if there are noticeable changes in the slope of the data points. For instance, if the revenue growth accelerates or decelerates at a certain point, segmented lines will provide a more accurate representation, while analyzing any external factors that might influence revenue trends and adjust the projections accordingly. For example, consider market conditions, competitor actions, economic forecasts, or changes in consumer behavior. By integrating these factors into the model, the company can refine the revenue projections beyond the historical data alone, allowing for a more comprehensive forecast. Some ideas and concepts I learned while working on this week's workshop and assignment was first, data variability and its impact on regression, importance of sample size, influence of linear relationships, and role of outliers and model specifications. Data variability and its impact on regression. It's the understanding of how variability in data affects the fit of a regression line and its ability to capture trends accordingly. The importance of sample size. This goes on to explain recognizing that a larger data set can lead to more robust statistical models and more reliable estimates of relationships between variables. Thirdly, influence of linear relationships. This is grasping how the strength and linearity of the relationship between variables can impact the accuracy and reliability of a regression model. Fourth, role of outliers and model specifications is learning how outliers can skew results and the importance of selecting the right model and variables to effectively capture relevant factors influence outcomes. Thank you for your time.